All right, so the next part, so we're going to talk about just how do you change different segments from, a lift. So what I created it as. So let's say I want it to be just a normal coaster now. I want it to be a lift hill going up. So uncheck that, so I now have a regular station. However, I don't have a lift hill, so there's no way that the car is going to get over this hill. It's never going to leave the station. So what I can do is, there's a couple steps to this. So first thing you need to do is go to the track and select what track you want it to become. So in this case, I want it to be a lift segment. I want this hill to become a lift hill. So I need to select that. So that's the track I have. Then what I need to do is, and you can do this in any view, it doesn't matter. If I click on that piece of track, you can see if I click off, this little icon right here is not, like, I can't click on it. But when I click on it, if that piece of track is different, I want that to be a regular track segment now. I could change that to a regular track segment and go around. And this is a braking region. I could turn that to a track segment, and I can just kind of move in between the two things. Now, one other thing that I can do is if I click here on this other option, so that will break up. So maybe I want to take something and convert it, or maybe I want this one piece of track to become two separate pieces of track. If I click this button, what it will do is break that segment. It's now into two, like, equal parts. So it's two separate segments now, and then I could be able to, then I would be able to, move things around, adjust the track as I needed to. So I could then break this one into another, two segments. So now I have three. I'm able to do. So that's just kind of how you can switch between different pieces of track. So making a braking segment a track segment, or a track segment a braking segment, and then how I could, just change. Maybe I want to change this only this part up to here, make that continue that braking segment, but then leave this as regular track. I would be able to do that.